Hi, so today we are doing very sleek bun, very J-Lo feeling bun, so hence the more bronzer and a bit more nuder lip I've done today. And this is a very great look when you just wanted something very quick, when you haven't washed your hair, when you don't have time to do it, because this is super easy. You just need a bit more patience to brushing your hair through. And that's it. Let me show you how it's done. So the first things is what we need. So first of all, my hair is about 3 or 4 days dirty, and to do a top knot, it's the best when your hair is a little bit dirty, like the 3rd or 4th day. It's perfect because on the first day, no matter what you're gonna do, it's still gonna be a little bit fluffy and you will need a lot of hairspray and a lot more work. So I have prepared my hair. This is the 4th or 3rd day, and it's less fluffy at the roots, so it's much easier to control. And then we need a brush, pintail comb, a hairband, some grips, a bit of hairspray, just a little bit of styling product, just something that's gonna have the hold. So I just have L'Oreal. This is something that my husband usually uses, and it's a bit more like a creamy paste, and I will use that around the hairline so we get control all the little hair. So first I'm just gonna brush it through, and then I'm just taking the paste, and what I will do, I'm kinda just working it through my hands and really just brushing it through my roots from the underneath as well. So everything I have in my hands, I'm just kind of pulling through the hair. Don't worry if somewhere it's kind of a bit clumpy, because you're gonna brush it out anyway. And while you're brushing, this is what will help you to get it smooth. So when that's done, we're just taking a comb and really starting to brush everything up. So you see already how smooth it goes, and all the little bits are kind of just getting stuck to the head. This is actually the most important bit, just to brush and comb and smooth everything. So for me, the hardest bit is the back, because I have so much hair, and to get all that up smoothly, it's a lot of work. So when we are happy with our ponytail and we have it as high as we want, we just take a hairband and we secure our ponytail. So also in here we have to go as tight as we can to not loosen up all we just worked for. Okay, so that's our ponytail in, and now I will just take the little pintail comb and kind of brush everything towards the hairband. So every little kink that still has left will be smoothened down this way. I do the same at the back. And then we are just taking some hairspray. And smoothing it as well with the hairspray. So that's our ponytail done. This is also a very good way how to get like a non-surgical facelift. Everything is just kind of whoop, up and everything is a bit more firmer, so that's also a very good plus to it. And now this is the easiest step. So to get that kind of nut stewardess-like bun, which is kind of big on the top, but that is actually a bit more narrow, and this is also what makes it more now and nowadays and makes it very, very J-Lo. This is just kind of making everything higher up, everything a bit more narrow. Also, obviously you have to go with suitability. Maybe if you don't suit that your face is elongated, or you maybe need some pieces to kind of making it a bit more oval. So you can just leave out some pieces at the beginning, and just something that will hug your face a little bit softer. Or obviously if this is too narrow for you and your face doesn't need to be stretched out and you don't like that feeling, then you can just make it a bit wider. So all I'm doing now, I'm taking my ponytail and I'm basically just twisting it. So I'm just twisting it around its base, because as you're gonna twist it, it's just gonna get that knot naturally. So I'm just going very, very firm and I'm not letting it down. So I am just using some bobby pins now to secure it. And a tiny bit more hairspray to finish it off. And that's it. This is our bun finish. This is how easy it is. So it just makes it very, very narrow, and in that way it just stays very, very very in. This makes it very, very J-Lo. If you have not as long hair and you have not as thick hair, you can just backcomb it a tiny bit and plait it first and then roll it in and twist it around. That is just gonna give you a bit more height and a bit more volume for your top bit. If your hair is quite long, you just wrap it around like I did. And yeah, this is a very, very easy and simple look for the days when you haven't washed your hair, you haven't had time to wash your hair, or when you just wanted to look a bit more elegant and sleek and everything kind of up. And that this is the best look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, just leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you'd like this very quick hairstyle tutorials, and I will keep them coming. See you very soon. Bye.